First of all, I have to mark the starting point, and I'll measure 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches by width. The width is going to be 4.5. Then the length will be 10 inches. 10 inches length. Then we cut it out first. This is our first pattern for this sleeve. We cut this one out. We cut this one out. Then after cutting it, you see the way it is, just 4 corners. Then we mark 5 inches on another paper. Use your ruler to line it up. Then from the folded part, mark 2 inches there. 2 inches from the folded part. Use your ruler to join the lines. Then bring out your pattern and fix it the way I'm doing so. Fix it this way. See the way it's looking. Fix it exactly the way I'm fixing it this way. Then use your marker to trace it. Then after tracing it, use your marker to trace the lines till the end of the folded part. And cut it out. This is the second pattern for this sleeve. Then the first pattern, I will not be using it again. I don't need it. This is the one I'm working with now. I'm working with this one now. This is the pattern I'll be working with. So the next thing is to cut the middle pattern. So I'll cut the middle pattern by folding it this way. If I fold it this way, then I'll measure 10 inches or 11. You can make it 11 inches. 11 inches is okay. Then width 2.5. 2.5 is okay. Use 2.5 for the second pattern. Then you cut it out. I have 2.5. From there you mark 1 inch and slide it this way. 1 inches. Slide it and curve the edge of the upper part. Curve the edge the way I'm doing it on this video. Then cut it out. This is the second pattern for this sleeve. This is the second pattern. Then after cutting it, you see the way it will be looking now. Both patterns. This is the second pattern and this is the first patterns. This is the first pattern. So the next thing is to join the two. So because it's a paper, I want to use my tape to join it. Remember, you have to notch the beginning and pay attention on where I'm joining this sleeve from. If you look at it, you will see where I'm joining from. I'm joining from this part. You notch the center of this one to make sure it's equal. Join the center. I'm marking the center and mark the center of this one. That is where you join it. So I'm using my paper tape to. If you are using clothes, you have to use hard gum. You put hard gum to make it stay firm. And joining of this sleeve is a bit difficult while joining it, but you do it. You join it little by little It's not something you join so fast. By men looking, you see is a bit difficult joining it with paper. So I have to use this to join it till the end of the edge. So when using it on your fabric, you have to use strongest gum stay or collar stay. Anyone you wish to use is okay. Any gum you want to use, just use a strong gum stay, a strong one. So you see, joining of this sleeve is a bit difficult, but with machine it's not that difficult. It's just difficult on this paper. So I'm going to try and join it. I hope you understand. So you can see, finding it difficult to bend it because it's paper. So I've managed to join it. You see the final look. You see the final look. I've managed to join it. So now the next thing, you see how it's looking. It has already have that cup shape. See the way it's looking. So it's now left for you to put any curve you want, shape it to your desired cup you want. If you want to leave it like this, good. If you want to curve it like this one I'm doing, I want to curve it, so I'll give it a little bit curve the way I want. So it's perfectly okay. See the way it's looking? This way. This is perfect. So when you fix it on your dress, it will stand on its own. Thank you for watching.